Hi guys, and welcome back to a brand new video with Reece Hutton. Today we're going to Manchester, so stick around and I'm going to dive in right about now. So Manchester is apparently 29 miles away. It isn't 29 miles away. As the crow flies, it's about 23 miles away. So it's not as far as that. Manchester and Leeds are about the same distance from Bridge railway station. But yeah, I'm looking forward to today, so stick around and there's more to come. Train at Manchester Victoria. I am walking to College Yard where all the skyscrapers are. Do you know what? Don't take me to a spa for the day, take me on train for the day because it's so relaxing, honestly. I'm looking forward to today's trip. I ain't done it in such a long time. I'm like buzzing and I'm all wrapped up because it's freezing. It's like -5. It's so cold. So enjoy the trip and stick around because there's more to come. Enjoy the trip, I mean enjoy the video, that's what I meant to say, but you are pretty much on the trip with me because I'm filming everything that I'm doing, so you are practically here with me. So guys, Manchester is like super quiet today. There's hardly anyone around, literally, it's weird. I'm just filming round and I don't give a today because do you know what, it was around to see me. There's no one even here. It's just dead quiet, it's weird. There's nobody around at all, it's like being in lockdown again. This is Alford, an intense area of development. It's looking absolutely super. Tower 2, I love it so much. I like the white cladding on it, it looks amazing. It's not as tall as College Yard Tower 1, but it still looks impressive and it's going to have an impact on the Alford skyline. I don't know how many meters this one is. I'll add it in the description, or I'll add it underneath the video when I film it and post it. But yeah, it's looking rather impressive. So Collier's Yard Tower 1 and Tower 2 are very similar. However, I do like Tower 2 better because it's more white, and I like white. I think it looks nice on buildings, it's very modern. Collier's Yard Tower 2 is 129 metres at 40 stories. So I've just been at LEGO store, and I must say the customer service is absolutely fantastic. All shops should be like that. Lush is just the same as well. The customer service is fantastic. So I'm currently in, I don't know whereabouts in Manchester I am right now. I'm somewhere in the centre, obviously. But yeah. So this is Ireland. It's a net zero building for offices. I think it's fantastic. It looks very, very nice. The brickwork looks absolutely beautiful. It looks amazing. .360 is now complete, standing at 154 metres. The blade is also complete, and Elizabeth Tower also looks stunning with the cluster. They look stunning in the winter light. Now in Home Park. I love this park so much. I always come here when I come to Manchester. I just like the skyscrapers surrounding it. It reminds me of Central Park in New York. It's quite warm when the sun's out, you know. It's not cold. And there's me wrapped up like I'm in Arctic, but when you're waiting for trains and stuff, it's freezing. But yeah. Do you see where I'm going with Central Park? It gives you proper New York vibes around here. Bad spot for a rest. Isn't that just stunning? It looks like New York. So this is Deansgate Square Phase 2. 2 new skyscrapers standing around 158 metres I think. Foundation work is ongoing at the moment. So this is Square Garden standing at 140 metres and 40 stories. It's stunning, I like it so much, but it's all glass in Manchester, that's the problem. All the buildings are glass. There's no like different cladding styles like in Leeds. But however, I do like it. They all look very modern and slender, so I'm not going to complain. But I think they should have different buildings and more of a variety. This building is so iconic, I love it so much. It's easily one of my favourite buildings in Manchester, and in fact in the whole of the UK. It looks absolutely amazing. It's just so stunning and different. This place like really gives you New York vibes. It definitely gives you the vibe of being in New York. Everywhere you look it's just like being in Manhattan. If you're thinking of visiting Manchester, definitely come in winter on a sunny day because everything is so crisp and clear, and it's really good for photography, and everything's just so nice, amazing honestly, and it's really good for taking pictures of buildings because they're very clear and crisp. It's just a really pleasant place to walk around as well in winter, and also in summer, but winter it's just nice. It's just very like Christmas in New York sort of style. That's what I think anyway. Thank you for watching my video guys, please like and subscribe and stay tuned because there's more videos to come in future. See ya, bye.